In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram to your Squarespace website easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Squarespace. First, head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login or click on Profile and head to the dashboard. Step 2. Open your website dashboard. Select the site where you want to add your Instagram photos and click on Edit to open the Visual Page Editor. This is where you'll make changes to your page layout and design. Step 3. Add the Instagram block. Inside the page editor, find the section of your site where you'd like to embed your Instagram feed. This could be your homepage, footer, or even a dedicated social page. Click Add Block and scroll until you see the Instagram block. This is the built-in tool for adding your latest posts. This is how you embed Instagram on Squarespace without needing any custom code or third-party plugins. If you don't see the Instagram block, make sure you're using Squarespace 7.1, as block availability can vary by version. Step 4. Connect your Instagram account. After placing the Instagram block, click the gear icon or Edit Settings option that appears. Now, connect your Instagram account. You'll be prompted to log in and authorize Squarespace to access your Instagram feed. This allows Squarespace to automatically display your latest posts. And it's how you show Instagram photos on Squarespace in real time. Make sure you grant the correct permissions and select the right account, especially if you manage multiple Instagram profiles. Step 5. Adjust and customize. Once your feed is connected, you can fine-tune how it looks. Customize the layout, number of images shown, and spacing, all through the Instagram block settings. If you're facing any issues like Instagram feed not loading, check that your Instagram account is set to public and that you've allowed all necessary permissions during the connection process. Step 6. Save your changes. Don't forget to click Save to publish your Instagram feed live on your website. Once saved, your embedded Instagram posts will be visible to your visitors and automatically update as you add new content to your profile. Recap. That's how you add Instagram to your Squarespace website. Whether you want to embed a single Instagram post, display your full feed, or build social proof with real-time updates.